Hello, children. I am Mahima Tatvavedi, your science teacher, and I am going to tell you about organ systems of human body. Children, this video is just a brief introduction of all the organ systems that are present in human body. So before discussing the organ systems, let's talk about the levels of organization. So, the first and the basic level of organization is cell. The cell is the fundamental, structural, and functional unit of life. Many cells come together to form tissue. Different types of tissues come together to form organs, and organs come together to form organ system. And many organ systems come together to form an organism. So these are the levels of organization, and today we will mainly discuss about the organ system level of organization which is found in human body. Main organ systems of human body. Circulatory system. It circulates blood around the body via the heart, arteries, and veins, delivering oxygen and nutrients to organs and cells and carrying their waste products away. This system keeps the body's temperature in a safe range. Then comes digestive system, which we all know helps us to digest the food that we eat, and then the nutrients are absorbed by our body. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines. Then comes excretory system. Excretory system is for the removal of waste from the body. So, children, in our body, waste is generated in different manner, and that waste has to be removed out of the body. So, body has various mechanisms and systems for removing that waste out of the body. Next is muscular system. This system enables the body to move with the help of muscles. It contains approximately 605 muscles. Then is skeletal system. This is the system which is made up of bones basically, and it is a very strong structure which protects our internal organs. It contains 206 bones. Then we have nervous system. This system collects and processes information from the sense organs via nerves and the brain and tells the muscles to contract to cause physical actions. Respiratory system. It brings air into and out of the lungs to absorb oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Breathing is a very important part of respiration. Reproductive system. It allows humans to reproduce and give birth to their young ones. Integumentary system. It contains skin, hair, and nails. It protects us from the outside world and is our first defense against any kind of infection, that is, from bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Our skin also helps regulate body temperature and eliminate waste through perspiration. Perspiration is sweating. Children, now I will tell you about vital organs of human body. Vital organs, what are they? They are very delicate and internal organs of our body. Humans have 5 vital organs that are essential for survival. These are the brain, heart, kidneys, liver, and lungs. So, children, these organs are very important for our survival and they are very delicate as well. The human brain is the body's control center, receiving and sending signals to other organs through the nervous system. The human heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout our body through circulatory system. The job of the kidneys is to remove waste and extra fluid from the blood. So it is part of urinary system as well as excretory system. The lungs are responsible for removing oxygen from the air we breathe and transferring it to our blood. They also take away the carbon dioxide which comes in the blood that comes from whole body. The liver secretes bile juice which plays important role in digestion of food. Thank you.